Hi guys, in front of me is Raptor 5G and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. So at first let's open the settings. Then from main settings list select security and privacy and here click on device unlock. Now mark face and fingerprint unlock, choose pattern, pin code or the password. It will be backup to your fingerprint, so pick whatever you prefer. I'll go with pattern. Tap on next, re-enter it just to confirm. And now manage notification content. So now mark fingerprint, tap on more, agree, and now it's time to set your fingerprint. Mark start. Here you've got the sensor, so just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. You'll be informed once it's ready. Click on done, and that's it. From now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.